Here's how long it takes for a four-wheel drive equipped with the factory-fitted brake pads, rotors, brake hoses and booster to come to a complete stop from 80 km an hour. On the 70 series, to get the best braking performance from the Bendix brake upgrade kit, we recommend fitting the Bendix Ultimate 4-Drive brake booster upgrade as well. So here's that same 4-wheel drive fitted with the Bendix Ultimate 4-Drive brake upgrade kit and also the Bendix booster upgrade. Thanks to the Bendix Ultimate brake booster upgrade and the Ultimate 4-Drive brake upgrade kit, the Land Cruiser pulls up an outstanding 10 meters shorter over the standard braking system. To achieve this braking result, the Bendix Ultimate kit comes with the new Ultimate rotors and brake pads, as well as a set of Ultimate braided brake hoses for both front and rear. Once fitted with the Ultimate brake booster, which is a dual diaphragm construction and direct bolt-on replacement, there is simply no comparison versus the factory brakes.
So if you're hauling around heavy loads for your worksite or carrying supplies for your next big camping trip, you need all the braking power you can get. So upgrading the braking system with the Bendix Ultimate 4-Drive upgrade kit and the Bendix Ultimate 4-Drive brake booster should be your number one on your to-do list. For more information, visit bendix.com.au.
Bendix. Put your foot down with confidence.